The home buying process. What a headache, right? Wrong. If you choose the right team, home buying can be the most exciting thing you'll ever do.
Yeah, the whole process, especially home buying, should be exciting because a lot of times it's a life change for the individual. It's a first home, it's a new family, new city, new community. So it should be exciting because it's a new chapter in many people's lives. The importance of having a real estate team behind a buyer or seller is that, buying or selling real estate is really a very complex transaction. Great thing about having a team is we've got specialists that help with this journey through the entire process.
For over 20 years, Dan and Jill Peterson have been helping people buy and sell homes in the Atlanta community.
So Peterson Partners came about, I was busy enough to start to hire someone else to help me. It just seemed natural for us to join together and start our own business. We both come from family-run businesses, and it was easy. A few things that we do that I think are a little bit different than the competition is we actually show areas of town that clients are interested in. So we may show parks, we may show horse farms, we may show areas of shopping. I have been known to get on a trampoline with a kid and do a bounce off. Anything that we can do to make it a little bit more fun.
It's the 21st century, and that means advertising your home has changed. When it comes to buying and selling, you need a real estate agent with an expertise in online marketing.
So selling in today's market, home sellers have a lot of different options, and many times they don't even know what their options are. You can either be more of a reactive marketing or you could be more proactive in marketing. Putting a sign in the yard, listing it is a reactive way of marketing. But we go out and find buyers. So we're getting our clients' homes in front of people that may not be looking exactly where their home's located or exactly in the price range they're at. So we're able to actually expose their home to a much larger audience.
So from a marketing standpoint, I think our marketing team is the best. They're really looking for different avenues to get in front of buyers and sellers at all times. It helps buyers come to us, it helps sellers come to us, and that is really a match made in heaven. So if we've got buyers coming to us and sellers, we can really find the marriage that works for them. We have 3 different support staff that work on our team full-time. We have a social media person, a marketing person, and a closing coordinator. They are following up with lenders on a regular basis, attorneys on a regular basis. They're just questioning, hey, are you sure you don't want a survey? Are you sure that this inspection is on time and going through correctly? So they're always on top of it for us when we are out showing homes in this crazy world. So there are days that we are showing homes from 9 to 6. And for having somebody in the background that's just watching the paperwork really makes a difference.
Life is supposed to be fun, and so is the home buying process. If you're ready to buy or sell in the Atlanta area, visit petersonpartners.com or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.